Looking to connect Google Sheets with ActiveCampaign? Whether you're pulling in contact data or pushing automation updates to a spreadsheet, this integration makes syncing seamless and powerful. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through it exactly how this integration works. With the ActiveCampaign and Google Sheets integration, you have two sync options, inbound and outbound. Let's start with the inbound sync. Inbound sync allows you to bring data from Google Sheets into ActiveCampaign. This is perfect if you're managing lists, tracking deals, or storing custom data in a spreadsheet. Here is how it works. The first thing that we're gonna do is go into the app section on your ActiveCampaign account and find the Google Sheets integration. You're gonna log in into your Google account and then you're gonna map your sheet columns to the fields in ActiveCampaign, like contacts, deals, accounts, or even custom objects. You can choose to sync automatically every hour or import data manually. Make changes to your Google Sheet, just restart the sync to pull in the latest updates. And for easier tracking, contacts brought in through the integration will be tagged automatically. Look out for the tag Google Sheets integration. The pro tip in here is to make sure that your Google Sheets is formatted correctly. The first thing that we're gonna do is to remove any punctuation from the sheets and also from the document names. The second thing is to make sure we're setting up the proper permissions. And the third one is to add a header row with column names. Now let's talk about outbound sync. This enables you to send contact data from ActiveCampaign into a Google Sheet using the automation action add a row in Google Sheets. As contacts move through your automation, their data is automatically added to the next available row in your chosen sheet. Keep in mind that outbound sync only works with contact fields. It's not intended to be used for bulk exports. To set it up, you can select any automation, click it on the plus button, and select the option Add a row on Google Sheets. Then choose your Google account and the spreadsheet desired. Then map your contact fields to the appropriate columns. And done! Every contact that goes through this journey, their information is going to be added in the Google Sheets chosen. Do you need to pause or stop the syncing? Simply delete the sync or remove the automation action. To fully disconnect your Google account, go to Connected Apps in your ActiveCampaign settings and hit Disconnect. So that's how you sync Google Sheets with ActiveCampaign both ways. Whether you are importing data to feed your CRM or exporting contacts for reporting purposes, this integration allows you to streamline your workflows and automate data handling. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you got any questions, just add them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time.
Check out these related videos and subscribe if you want updates on our channel. Thanks for watching.